Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Anchor FX. Anchor FX is here for you. We're here to show you what we made for the day. Very massive, guys. Very massive, guys. So please guys, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel right now. Please, we need a subscription, please. We'll be here for you and to teach you how to make money online, guys. Our strategy is from 90 to 99% accurate, guys. Our indicator well polished, guys. So guys, we do offer account management, free VIP signals, and account mentorship for free, guys. This is a recent update for free, guys. Look at what we made, guys. Look at what we made without loss, guys. Look at what we made. Let me go to our I'm coming, guys. Look at what we made. Let me go to our yesterday custom. Let me go to our last week. Look at our earnings. Are you seeing, guys? Look at our earnings. We do trade with robot as well, we do customize our robot. We trade with robot. We have a strategic point to enter into market. As you can see, this is a big account. We do manage small account as well. Check in our previous video, you will see small account management that we did, and we murdered it. We did murder it. So guys, please guys, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. Please. We do offer account mentorship, VIP signal, free VIP signal, guys, free for you, your family, and your friends, everyone. So message us in our WhatsApp link below, and you can join our Telegram link down below for free VIP signal. And we do offer account mentorship and account management, guys. It's from 90% to 99% guarantee 90 to 99% guarantee. Sure, guys, sure, very sure. So guys, join us, subscribe, and share this video for your friends and your loved one, for them to make money. Don't do this alone, guys. And the next video will show you guys again how to make a good and accurate entry into the market and a good setup on your indicator, guys. Just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, guys, please. Thank you very much. Love you all. Thanks. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.